Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday, the 1st of June 2015. And starting off in the pre-market session, we had the US preliminary GDP figures released at 1:30. I'll just show you what happened there. They came out at minus 0.7. They were forecast at minus 0.8. and the previous 0.2, and prior to that it was 2%, which you can see on the graph here. So you can see that the US economy is flatlined and heading towards negative GDP. So all of this talk about increasing interest rates is simply a red herring unless things turn around in the meantime. But personally, I cannot see it for the life of me that interest rates can rise in the US, particularly based on this data here. You can see there it's a downward trend there, and of course it's not been down there since 2009 when the credit crunch hit, and then we had the May 2014 as well a year ago this month. So the GDP figures released, and the market then traded sideways, found support at 18,100 and then drove through, and then eventually at 3:30 we get a PTI there where the market moved lower following this. I'll just mark this one up for you. Price is trading down to the 18,000 level there. That's the major psychological level, and then it drives through this, and then we see the market testing because as I've said before, if they're marking the market down, they want to bring it back no matter how negative the economic news is at the moment. They don't want this market to go down. They're holding it on the highs. So we see the market being tested, and then price is brought back for around about 32 points at the 18,100. Obviously a few more down towards this bar here at 1,600. We then get a second PTI. This one's discounted because the trades are already in progress. We get a second one there which gives 20 points down to the low of the test before the market again finds support. You can see how the market used the low of the testing there, where you see the increase in volume as a place to buy, and then the market is brought back. We've already got a 100-point drop in the background there as well. Later on in the session we get, this is in the quiet part, we've got a XXX and PTP. See the market reversing, coming back for a loss of 24 points there. So remove this, and then we go on to the PTI at this is just at 7 p.m. there, and the maximum available on this down to the psychological level of 18,000 gives you 38 points there, and then half an hour later at 19:55, just under, we get another PTI moving prices back to the upside, and then up to the psychological level, which is where the market tends to find problems. Another 33 points of profit there as well. So apart from the PTP and XXX, the PTI's turning in a good solid profit for Friday's session. In the daily chart you can see there price is down, but coming off the lows once more, and going into a sideways range there on the overnight market. So a long way back to the all-time high at the moment, but certainly achievable as the market remains to the upside, even though we've got a bit of a sideways thing going on at the moment. Like I say, they don't want this market to move lower at the moment. For Monday's news, as I'm recording this on a Sunday, let's just move through and see what's out on Monday. 2:30 p.m. FOMC member Fisher is going to speak, and at 3 p.m. we've got the ISM manufacturing data. This is forecast to be slightly higher than the previous. Just have a quick look at the graph, and again you can see that this is also in decline. There's a downtrend for this data as well. So again, things not looking good for the US economy. So if it's bad news, expect the market to be marked down and then move back towards the upside. Thursday's implied volatility 1156. let's just refresh, see what Friday's was. 12.05, obviously, because the market moved lower after the prelim GDP figures there, and the market moving down 100 points. So this again adding to the potential risk, and the option traders marking up the implied volatility there. Right, that's it from me. I will see you in Tuesday's edition of the Market Alert. Have a good day. As ever, thank you for your support, and also for watching. I will see you in the next one.